Konnichiwa. This is Bianca, my first C-Sharp console personal note number 2. Last video was not very great. I tried a better job here. So this time, I like to make a note about actual algorithm and C-Sharp. If anyone look at this video, please do not laugh at me because I'm still in a learning process. First, I'm gonna show you, actually myself, a singleton program, which is a super silly, static program, just starting from static value setting, one-time run, no loop. And the second, I'm going to make it implement, which is by adding an input and output function. So let's start from adding new items here. So the only we need to use is a system, and then as you can see, I want to rename it. Well, probably it's not really necessary because since we have the under this folder and that one, the class 1, what I have right there under the practice project folder. So the name space gonna actually figure out. Oh, hey, look at that. This is the class 1 from original holder, class 1 from project holder, or something like that. So, anyway, number 2 right there, we needed to make it public, so that can be read by the main class. And actually, I have the cheating sheet right here. So it's so much easier like this. What I've done, let's change that one. What I'm doing right here is public static void, so it doesn't return any value after finished up this, actually the methods. After we finished up this method. So the consoling and change the color to the green, and let's do class 2. Oh, I don't really need that on that. Okay. Oops. Then the string. This is 3. Text adding added class and equal and int. That's the static. So let's change. Actually, this is the first number, second number, and also this is an answer number that I run, and this does actually the calculation here, and numbers here. That's the string. Numbers here. String equal sign and number. It's very simple and kinda stupid looking one, but I just wanna do one by one. It's so easy to understand. Okay, so I changed the parents class. Oh, look at that. The reason is it's already declare at here. That's why. And that one, why is that? That because I'm not actually save it. Why is that? That because it says original right there too. So original. Oops. Interesting. What I've done here. No overload from methods. I see. So let's figure it out. How does it work? Oh, interesting. Class 2 addition 11, class 11, class 12, main class 22, not 12, 22, main class 22, and nothing wrong here. Here you go. Hope it's gone now. Let's do it again. Main class 22. Sometimes Visual Studios really react slow, so oh, you know what? I did not add any parameter here. That's why. Yeah. Okay. Phew. This takes way longer than what I thought, but here you go. That's your answer. And second, I like to add the input and output number, not like this static value. So more, a little bit better, huh? Hope so. So I would say it's gonna be 33. Yeah, 33. And then I also have cheating sheet here. So since I'm awful typer, I'm gonna just add a cheating sheet. And do not forget about the parameter the last time we messed up. Not we, I messed up. And this is number 33. And this is also number 33. There you go. So let's explain that. Okay, namespace is under here. The whole namespace just actually gives you the location, so that what kinds of class actually under this namespace. So if I put that right there in practice project, and then the whole bunch of things gonna get wrong here. So has to be same thing, where the caller, which is parent class, same thing over like this. Oops, I forgot this. So add it. Number 3 here. Class 3. No, 33. 33. So 33. It's really strict about what names under the what name staff. So the class 22, and under that, the main class 22 exists. So what I've done here is class 33, and then here's the main class 33, and then the Smart Visual Studio, Visual Basic Studios that gives you automatic, the implement systems like class, see? You can see it 3, and then there's the candidates of the whatever the class names that you can add it. So anyway, what I've done here is change the full color to the white, so it's different a little bit, and then set up actually declare the number. This is actually number in integer, and then integer, the try parse is actually the checking and the parsing do a checking and parsing at the same time between from script or whatever to the integer. So that this, if it's successfully convert to the integer, it goes to the in number 1 as out right here, output. But if it's not successful, so I just added like here the extreme was a big remark in Japanese, whatever that one is, negative. So, and it's gonna be like written in red, and it says it's not the number. If it's not hitting this statement, it just directly goes to here and let you know, hey, your first number is 0. And the second, since it's still, half statics, that you have to actually declare the in number 2 and then initial value is 0. And the same thing, try parse. And remember that every time added console that read line, that means it's a computer actually stop and read the line. So you have to be careful. You're not gonna, not gonna be ignored that any console read line and write line and stuff. So the out here, that this time the second number goes in here if it's successful. If it's not successful, the same thing, exact same thing happen right here. So two same parts is right there. I wish I could use the function for that one, but that wouldn't be like OOP. It's like the previous old stuff. So here, right there, your first number is not first number anymore. Oh yeah, first number is 0, which is in number here. And oops, here you go. Number 2, second number is here. Once again, it's in dice, so the 0 and the 1, starting from 0. So give it to the result, calculation result to the answer, and comes in like this. Let's see. Okay, 1, 2. All right then. Okay. Well, I guess see you the third notes. Bye. Sayonara.